Warning. The following video shows what happens when an idiot has a camera. Viewer discretion is advised. J.J. Abrams and Ryan Johnson were not involved in the making of this video. Any anger or dissatisfaction felt is purely coincidental.
They thought there was more than one M140i in Cyprus. They thought wrong. This summer, the only one in Cyprus comes to a big parking lot near you. Summer/winter, it's actually frickin' November. In any case, this is an M140i. 340 horsepower. 500 something Newton meters of torque, whatever the hell that is. In the body of a very boring hatchback. Modifications made. A very badly needed new diffuser. A very sporty exhaust, and there'll be a separate video on the M Performance exhaust later. And finally, the most important thing of all, the underbody brace. Which is under the body, and it is amazing. Actually, I haven't got a clue if it did anything to the car, but knowing that I have it makes me feel very gooey inside. Oh, and some custom decals. Don't copy them. I'm the only one who came up with them, and that's the end of that. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video.
No idiots were harmed during the making of this video.